I was heading for the Santa Monica Pier when, bam! I landed smack in the middle of Volkswagen Wonderland, right on the beach. Well, the Westside VW Club, they're having their 10th anniversary, and they're the ones putting on this show, which is really cool to see all these cool cars and VWs. I believe there's over 200 of them plus out here. So props to you guys putting a show like this on and supporting out here in Santa Monica. And you know something, I'm going to call it close enough for Route 66 because Santa Monica Pier is the end of the trail, so we'll give it a holler there. But you know what makes the show like this? It isn't just the cars, it's the people. Everywhere I turned, folks were swapping stories, pointing out details, and grinning like kids. These cars aren't just machines, they're family heirlooms, travel companions, rolling memories. That's why you see the pride in every polish and every touch of paint. You know, and just standing here, just looking at all these Volkswagens by the pier, I couldn't help but think how many of these cars rolled down Route 66 back in the day. Families heading west, dreamers chasing the California sun, surf kids looking for the next wave. For decades, this road and these cars carried American stories right to this beach. Students drove them to college, families used them for vacations, surfers strapped boards on top, and road trippers pointed them straight down Route 66. Then you had the buses. Those became rolling symbols of freedom in the 1960s and 1970s. Hippies painted them up, bands loaded their gear inside, and travelers hit their open road with nothing but gas money and good intentions. Even today, people see one of these buses and instantly think road trip. It's road trip time. Yeah, baby. But, you know, that's why an event like this makes sense at the end of Route 66. Because Route 66 and Volkswagen share the same spirit. They're about freedom, discovery, and finding community out on the road. Standing here on the beach with the Pacific breeze and all these cars lined up, you can feel that history's still alive. Just love walking around here. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I mean, these are some really cool buses you have here, the VW buses. I honestly don't know one from the other, but I know they're awesome. And you've got the Beetles and got a little bit of everything. But that's what's so neat about everything. Just the guys driving these cars, guys and girls just enjoying themselves. Look at everybody just talking, having a grand time. That's what's so special about these places. What the heck? You're on the beach in Santa Monica. Get to go to a car show, have a good time. I mean, what more could you want in here? Friends, family, and cool cars. That's pretty good. I mean, look at these buses. See so many different styles. I mean, it's just awesome to look at. There's the beach again. I actually gonna go through in a little while. Be another video, but I'll be heading up the Santa Monica Pier, so I'll do a whole tour of the Santa Monica Pier. But for this one, I just wanted to kind of start walking around and let you see the VW bugs and what's out here. Well, you know, it's not just nostalgia. It's proof that simple ideas last. A small car, a simple bus, a highway that stretched across the country. None of them were built to be flashy, but together they became the backdrop for countless adventures. That's the kind of thing you can't put a price on. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. While we're walking around here, I still got some more of these. There's over 200 cars here. So we're just going to kind of walk around here. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play some music for you guys so you can go ahead and I'll just let you go ahead and watch the rest of this show here and check everything out while I listen to some good tunes. So sounds good here, and enjoy the rest of this show. I think you're going to love it. We got several more minutes left still of just walking around and enjoying the day. So join me and we crank a few tunes.